Arrive in style with this Dodge 2017 Journey Crossroad Plus. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li 4D OHC 16V dual VVT, STD, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, quick order package 22V Crossroad Plus included, engine 2.4 Li 4D OHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP Crossroad equipment group premium door trim panel with stitching cargo net power 6-way driver seat interior observation mirror ATC with 3-zone temp control power 4-way driver lumbar adjust passenger and seat cushion storage front passenger forward fold flat seat 8.4 inches touch screen display, compact spare tire, front wheel drive, power steering and ABS.